Snow blizzard of 2016. Yeah.
Mommy, look up!
Scary.
Icicles!
Icicles?
Watch out if they fall, watch out!
Yeah.
Looks like snowball.
Are you guys okay?
Yeah. Hey, are you okay? No, it's Dave!
Ow!
No, can you put your phone away?
No, because you want to hit me with a snowball. Yes, you are. You okay, Ava?
Just kidding. I hit you with the snowball. Ava, I'm gonna hit you with a snowball.
I don't even know if you guys can tell like how high the snow is. I don't even know. Like that's the car. And so you have here, this is like the grass, but all of this is just, all this is snow. And they haven't plowed, so I don't even know how we would get out even if it stops snowing. You see the cars over there? It's crazy. Oh, look at that snow angel. Look at that snow angel. It's a very lazy snow angel. So you got the legs and you got the top. You guys are weird. Oh, he caught it. Oh, that's not fair. You can't be like really playing sports. You're gonna get Alana. She can't even get up.
Why you put that back in?
Daddy.